47, 48, 48, 49. I should probably check all my tires and make sure I get them the right pressure they need. All right, which one of these? Was it this one? All right, I got my key so I won't get locked out. I pushed it once, it didn't open. There we go, pushed it again. All right, cool. Oh, you're open? Are you open? What's going on in here? I guess you don't clamp very well. All right. Pull that out. Shut that. Open you. Let's gain access to this air supply here. What pressure do I need to have on these? I should probably know, and I don't. Where is it, folks? You probably spotted it, and I have not. I'm upside down. How much pressure do I put in these? 47, 48? 350 Pascal. 51. Maximum's 51. All right, so I can choose. So max. And what did I see in here? What were these? 47 or 48? Hello. All right, whatever. Let's just make them off 40, 40, 40, 40, 48. Let's do 48. Sounds like a good number. Ooh, exciting. It's like an unveiling for the first time. All right, so what do we have in here, by the way? Basketball pump, if I was gonna kind of clean something out. That's cool. I think I'm actually, there we go, that's the one I need. Both the same, that makes it easy for me. All right, what else is in here? Tire eject, bead sealer, on-road formula. All right, well, good thing I don't need that now. Hopefully I never need that, but at least we have it. This is rated at 151 maximum PSI. Probably got to get this all straight, so. Ooh. PSI, so there we go. I was wondering how fast that was gonna go. Where am I at? Let's do 48. All right, let's see what happens here. If I plug you in, try not to get hit by any cars. Here I am stretching a, hey, don't hit me, folks. All right, we'll do the limbo. A little close there. I'm gonna let the air out, and then I'll let this fill us up to where we need to be. How does this work? I missed the instructions. Were there even instructions? I didn't see any. All right, tire preset. Oh, push play? Oh, that's funny. Do I have to push and hold that? On, it says it's on. I'm seeing 45 PSI. What's that mean? On. What does that mean? I think I saw 47, 48, and 49. So I just relieved some pressure. So, okay, so it's probably, I got it. It's probably right now 45 because I just let some pressure out. But the question is, how do you fill up? How do you run? I wonder if there's a setting on the inside. I've never done this before, so. All right. Maybe you've done this, I haven't. So that's pretty snug. I feel good about that. Good thing I don't release too much pressure. At least I can still drive home if I have to. The truck's waiting for an update. That's great. I don't want to do an update. Can you get out of here? No, I don't want to do an update. I want to put pressure in my tires. Open hood, close charging. Wait. Cable's connected. Yeah, so we're charging. All right, tailgate, tonneau cover, car wash, no car wash, passenger. Can you? Oh, geez, I almost clicked it. Adjust. Okay, gear guard. We don't need gear guard. We want to turn on the air compressor. I know it's not going to be under lights. It's not under charging. Trip, Rivian support. Can I call Rivian support? I mean, it's not really an urgent matter, so I'm gonna wait. This is silly. I'm not towing. Not music. Where? Okay, well, I mean, all else fails. Owner's guide? All right, so what do we want to do? Home, introduction, safety, climate, audio, phone, driving, charging, storage, camping and off-road service, troubleshooting. Can I just, all right, let's see if I can type. What is that, air compressor? Air compressor, is that how you spell it? Air compressor. The air compressor features a quick disconnect. Yep, got that. Camping, not camping, tires, wheel pressure. I wonder if it's, let me put my foot down here on the brake. Drive to update tire pressure. Oh, that's funny. I can't drive right now. Seal a flat, use the gear guard security system tires. Tires and wheels, tire pressure and tire care. Check the inflation pressure of your tires, including spare tire if equipped monthly. Yep, got that. Air compressor. Oh, I can click on it. Got it. Okay. So it gives me 20 feet of hose with a Velcro strap, air chuck. Okay. Inflation needle and adapters. Yep. Okay. Here we go. So I can decrease, I can increase, and start or pause the compressor. Yeah. Oh man, all right. Inflate tires and adventure equipment. Check the maximum recommended pressure of the tire or adventure equipment you are inflating. Push the air chuck firmly into one end of the pressure hose. So I got the air chuck. Connect additional adapters if needed. All right. Push the opposite end of the pressure hose onto the compressor's quick disconnect fitting. The hose will snap. Got that. Connect the air chuck to the tire or equipment you are inflating. Yep. The air chuck locks on the valve. Yep. The display shows the detected pressure. Okay. Press the, oh, okay. So since it showed 45, so press the plus button to set the target pressure. So I'd have to, if it's at 45, then I can increase it. Can I decrease that? I don't know. That's a new one to me. Set appears on the display. Hold the plus button or minus button to quickly advance. Okay, cool. Okay, press the start button. Okay, so I think I have 45 right now. I can hit the plus, and then push the start button. Compressor starts. The compressor stops when it reaches the target pressure. Squeeze the lever. Okay, cool. I don't know, I'm assuming you guys also don't read the instructions. First time for everything. All right, oh, 45, oh, he's teetering there. All right, let's do, oh, wait a minute, set PSI. PSI set, okay, let's start. Set PSI, start. Okay, I'm like leaning over this, like, how do I get to you? Let me get up in here. Oh, wait, what? Oh, what's this? What's going on? Is that like working or not working? 51, 52, wait, what's going on here? Set, I'm not doing that. 56, wait, 46. Maybe that's how much it's pushing through in order to increase. Yeah, that's what's happening. So it has to push 53, 4, 55, 56. It's pushing that much pressure through to raise the tire from 45 to 48. Are you guys getting this? You're probably not even getting this. All right, let's try it again. Nice. So that's how you do it. You raise it up. I thought it would be kind of like a home air compressor where it just does it all in one shot, but I guess kind of it did. All right, so I feel good with that. I will take that off, screw you back on. I don't want to cross thread. See if I can get some slack here. Pull it over. Now one of these was 47, 48. Wait a minute. Ugh. Come on. Man, is this video even still going? Thanks for watching. This is really annoying. I got one hand on the camera and one hand on the hose. So one was 47, two were 48, and one was 49 tires, I believe. All right, let's walk back there. See if we can get a pressure reading. So it says 45. What is 45? Set to 49. I didn't set that. I set it to 40. So set to 48. Push the start button. So how does this work? Okay. You kind of pulse. What to expect when you're inflating your tires. So that's how it does. It pulses, and obviously it has higher pressure going through there to arrive at the pressure you set. I get it. Cool, I'm like an expert now. I read the instructions. Did you read the instructions? You probably didn't. Alright, we could probably fast forward to the other two tires and call that a video. I'll put you back on my head. Ooh, that was a long pulse. Put you back on my head here. Wait, why'd you stop at 47? Play. Is that what pressure you are? You're 47? You should be 48. Didn't I set you to 48? Yeah, you're set to 48. Keep playing. Keep going. You got this. By the way, the bed of the truck, the texture is really nice. They did a really great job with all the texture. In fact, as I look really close, I just realized, look at all these little logos. These are little Rivian logos inside the plastic. That's cool. That's really cool. I bet nobody else saw that. We're still at 47 here. What's going on? We are still at 47 on tire 2. I mean, how long should this video be?